a nice flat day again. Once again, lots of whales around, and today was a nice day because it looked like the visibility had cleaned up.